How to use filter on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use filters on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Click on the post icon at the bottom. For example, you can start record a video or upload a video. Now let's click on the filters between those options up there. Click on it and choose a filter from those. There is a lot of filters. Choose wherever you want. Once you choose, click on it and edit the filter and start recording easy and quick. So this is it guys. Easy. You can now upload a video and do the same steps. Nothing's gonna change. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.